It's like it's a jungle gym. Alright, Richmond Beach Library. I'm Tanis Coralee of Seattle, and this is my movie watch list for the week of 12 August 2025. Put one item on hold and picked it up just now today at the King County Library System, Richmond Beach Library. It's 2009 film Star Trek. I enjoy it a lot. Maybe I'll watch this one today. And I was thinking, what's something else I could do? And so the other one, I don't have a physical copy of like I do this one, which is DVD format. I'm going to watch, or intend to watch, as long as the video is still there, YouTube video on Apple TV channel, F1 the movie European premiere. I've watched the world premiere for F1 the movie, but I haven't watched the European premiere live stream. So that one, it's like 2 hours and 5 minutes and 23 seconds or something like that. So those are my two movies for this week, in addition to watching YouTube videos per normal. So there we go. Happy week of watching.